What's going on, everybody? Got a blaster box of Bowman 2020. I'm stoked to break this open. I haven't opened a blaster box in a while. I have a hobby box of Bowman, still sealed, but you know what? I don't feel like opening it yet. I want to sit and hold on it. It's gonna go up in price, so maybe one day I'll break it. But for now, we're just gonna break a blaster box, and for whatever reason, this is giving me fits. If you guys watched my last video, it was Pokemon cards. I know, I don't usually break Pokemon cards, but I was like, yo, I gotta try it. So check that video out if you so choose. Got these off Blowout. Let's do this. So we got one extra packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what the extra pack is, but let's do this. We'll see. Hopefully we got a parallel. Something. I think green parallels are exclusive to blasters. Let's see. 2 from the back. Let's see. We got Luis Castillo. Hanser Alberto. I like the Bowman design this year. Like that we got the borders and everything. It just looks nice. Chris Bryant. Ketel Marte. Sean Murphy rookie. That dude. Cannon Smith. Another Yankee. Antonio Cabello. And Kikuchi. Alright, so those chromes, 2 Yankees. There are possibilities of autos, but they're just kind of rare. I think we got a refractor. Alright, look at these rookies here. Got Robel Garcia. Don't know who that is. Jesus Luzardo. Brusdar Gratterall. Zach Collins. Adrian Morejon. Refractor. Andres Munoz. It's like an insert. Julio Rodriguez, Adam Hall, and Lucas Gill, Chrome, and Mike Soroka. I forgot that one. Come on, let's get a parallel. Let's scan a parallel. Pull those rookies up here. Anthony K. of the Blue Jays. We got Abraham Toro, Aaron Savale, Seth Brown, Shane Bieber, Cody Bellinger, Ronnie Mauricio, Bowman Scouts Top 100, Josiah Gray, Royce Lewis, Owen Miller, Christian Javier, and Luis Garcia. Only a couple more packs left in the break. I think that's just another insert. Dustin May rookie. We're looking for the Jason Dominguez. Don't believe I got one. Jeff McNeil. Fernando Tatis Jr. Blake Snell. Who is this? Jordan Yamamoto. No. Don't want him. Jesus Sanchez. Jacob Amaya and Reese Hines. 2 packs left. No parallel. Is that a refractor? I don't know. Let's see. Joey Votto. Starling Castro on the Nationals. That's weird. Gleyber Torres. Alright. Max Scherzer. Jose Altuve. Luis Robert. Rookie. Sorry. I want to say Robert every time. Talent Pipeline. Hunter Bishop. Jalen Miller and Joey Bart. Grant Levine. Another Luis Robert. Is this parallel? Like, what's the difference between these two? I don't know. But one's probably a short print of some sort. Last pack. So, alright, not bad. We got the Roberts. You know. Alright. Buster Posey. Nomar Mazara. Xander Bogaerts. Austin Nola, rookie. Logan Allen, rookie. Justin Dunn, rookie. Dylan Cease, rookie. First Bowman, Nico Holsier. First Bowman. Oh, this is a decent one. Tariq Skubal. Wander Franco. All right. Travis Swaggerty. And a JJ Bleday. So, nothing incredible. These are all the chromes. You know, inserts, chromes. No big names. Best cards. These are probably the best of the whole thing. The Wander Franco, Tarek Skubal, and two Luis Roberts. There we go. That is it with the blaster. If I missed anything, short printed or anything, let me know. I think that's it. I don't think there's another pack. Yeah, that's it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys. Next big I'll probably do is my museum box, unless that gets pushed back. But I pre-ordered Museum Collection Baseball. So that should be coming out the end of July. So hopefully I'll have it then. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.